Let us discuss about rules for direct and indirect speech. In this article, we will cover important rules of direct and indirect speech relevant for the English language section of various competitive exams. Aspirants of various government exams such as SSC, RRB, IBPS, insurance, etc. must go through the concept and rules of direct indirect speech carefully as the English language is a part of the syllabus for most of these exams. What is direct and indirect speech? Direct speech reporting the message of the speaker in the exact words as spoken by him. Indirect speech examples Maya said that I am busy now. Indirect speech reporting the message of the speaker in our own words. Indirect speech example Maya said that she was busy then. Let us understand the direct and indirect rules with examples and for all tenses so that you can apply them correctly without making any mistakes in the exams. Direct and indirect speech rules. Rules for converting direct into indirect speech. To change a sentence of direct speech into indirect speech, there are various factors that are considered, such as reporting verbs, modals, time, place, pronouns, tenses, etc. We'll discuss each of these factors one by one. Direct to indirect speech conversion reporting verb. When the reporting verb of the direct speech is in the past tense, then all the present tenses are changed to the corresponding past tense in indirect speech. Direct to indirect speech example, she said that I am happy. She said that she was happy. Direct and indirect speech rules. She said that she was happy. In indirect speech, tenses do not change if the words used within the quotes talk of habitual actions or universal truth. Habitual actions means we repeatedly doing the things daily. Universal truth means like the earth moves around the sun. This is universal truth. He said we can't live without air. So here, although the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech will not change. She said that we can't live without air. The tense of direct speech to do not change if the reporting verb is in the future tense or present tense. She says will say I am going. She says will say she is going. Direct speech to indirect speech conversion, present tense. I have been to Boston, she told me. She told me that she had been to Boston. Present continuous changes to past continuous. I am playing the guitar, she explained. She explained that she was playing the guitar. Direct to indirect speech examples. He said she has finished her homework. He said that she had finished her homework. Simple present changes to simple past. I am unwell, she said. She said that she was unwell. Direct speech to indirect speech conversion, past tense and future tense. She said Irwin arrived on Sunday. She said that Irwin had arrived on Sunday. We were playing basketball, they told me. They told me that they had been playing basketball. Future changes to present conditional. She said, I will be in Scotland tomorrow. She said that she would be in Scotland the next day. Direct to indirect speech example. He said, I shall be disposing of the old computer next Tuesday. He said that he would be disposing of the old computer the following Tuesday. To ace the verbal ability section, it is important to have a clear conceptual knowledge of direct and indirect speech, their usage and applications in English language. Therefore, candidates cannot go through the video on direct and indirect speech rules in English language. Given below are the better understanding for the better understanding. Direct speech to indirect speech conversion. Interrogative sentence. No conjunction is used. If a sentence in direct speech begins with a question word like what, where, when, as the question word itself acts as a joining clause. Direct to indirect speech example. Direct. Where do you live? Asked the boy. The boy inquired where I live. If indirect, if direct speech sentence begins with an auxiliary verb, helping verb, the joining clause should be if or whether. Direct to indirect speech example. Will you come for the party? She asked whether we would come for the party. Reporting verbs such as said to changes to inquired, asked, or demanded. Direct to indirect speech example. He said to me, "What are you wearing?" He asked me what I was wearing. Direct to indirect speech conversion changes in modals. While changing direct speech to indirect speech, the modals used in the sentences change like can becomes could, may becomes might, must becomes had to, would have to. Check the example. She said she can dance. She said that she could dance. She said I may buy a dress. She said that she might buy a dress. Rama said I must complete the assignment. Rama said that he had to complete the assignment. There are modals that do not change could, would, should, might, ought to. She said I should clean the house. She said that she should clean the house. Here, should is not changed here. Direct speech to indirect speech conversion changes in modals. While changing direct speech to indirect speech, the modals used in the sentence change like can becomes could, may becomes might, must becomes had to, would have to. Check the example. She says she can dance. She said that she could dance. She said I may buy a dress. She said that she might buy a dress. Direct speech to indirect speech change in modals. Rama said I must complete the assignment. Rama said that he had to complete the assignment. There are modals that do not change could, would, should, might, ought to. Direct. She said I should clean the house. She said that she should clean the house. Direct speech to indirect speech conversion pronoun. If the first person is in the direct speech, changes as per the subject of the speech. Direct speech to indirect speech examples. Direct. He said I am in the class 12. He says that he was in the class 12. The second person of the direct speech changes as per the object of the reporting speech. Direct speech to indirect speech example. She says to them, "You have done your work." She tells them that they have done their work. The third person of direct speech does not change. He says she dances well. He says that she dances well. Indirect speech is supported by some verbs like requested, ordered, suggested, and invite. Forbade is used to negative sentences. Therefore, the imperative mood in the direct speech changes into the infinitive indirect speech. She said to her, "Please complete it." She requested her to complete it. Hamid said to Ramit, "Sit down." Hamid ordered Ramit to sit down. If exclamatory sentences that express grief, sorrow, happiness, applaud, interjections are removed and sentence is changed to an assertive sentence. She said, "Alas, I am undone." She exclaimed sadly that she was broke. Aspirants as well as are well aware that English is an important component of the syllabus of various competitive exams, and it is important to be clear with the basic concepts. Therefore, given below are a few articles to clarify the confusion between usage of common but confusing words in the English language. In indirect speech, the words actually spoken should be under the inverted comma, quotes, and always begin with a capital letter. She said, "I am the best." Full stop, comma, explanation, question mark are placed inside the closing inverted comma. They are inside the inverted commas. Example, they asked, "Can we sing with you?" Here all the words are under the inverted comma. Even question mark is also under the inverted comma. If direct speech comes after the information about who is speaking, a comma is used to introduce the speech placed before the first inverted comma. Direct speech example, he shouted, "Shut up." Indirect speech example, thinking back, he said she did not expect to win. Comma is used to separate the two direct speeches and no capital letter to begin the second sentence. In indirect speeches, the words that express nearness in time or place are changed to words that express distance in indirect speech, such as now becomes then, here becomes there, ago becomes before, thus becomes so, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day, this becomes that, yesterday becomes the day before, these becomes those, hither becomes thither, come becomes go, hence becomes thence, next week or month becomes following week or month. He said his girlfriend came yesterday. He said that his girlfriend had come the day before. The time expression does not change if the reporting verb is in the present tense or the future tense. Example, he says, will say, my girlfriend came yesterday. He says, will say that his girlfriend had come the day before.